part H from chapter number 2. So here we are going to apply what we have learned about sets and Venn diagrams, all the concepts. So we needed them for the reason and to apply them in real life situations. So here's I will solve two problems here from your book. Let's go with number 1. Pele has 14 KBs as pets, 5 have long hair and 8 are brown. 2 are both brown and have long hair. Place this information on Venn diagram. So how does Pele make a groups here? 14 KBs as a long hair and brown hairs. So let's first draw the universal set as a rectangle, and inside I will put 2 circles. As it says 2 are both brown and have a long hair, means there is an intersection, so I have to draw 2 circles with the intersection. Let me put the second circle. Okay, let be something like this, or if I can move it to the left a little bit. Okay, so I have a better picture. Now, what we will do, let's put the numbers. In total, I have 14 KVs and two of them, okay, long hair, and let's say brown hair, 2 groups. 5 have long hair. If 2 have gone, so it will be 3 here because 5 have long hair. And 8 are brown. If it's 8, so here it must be what? 6. And now, if I count these ones, their union, it will be 11. So, but in total I have 14. So 3 of them are outsiders. Let's call it like this, and let it be here. I have 3 KVs which do not belong to this type of groups. So they must have different color of hair, and their hair must be short. So this part is A. We show this one in a Venn diagram. Now, based on the Venn diagram, we need to be able to answer the following questions. Find the number of KVs that do not have a long hair. So how many KVs do not have a long hair? It's 6 brown hair, and 3 which are outside. It's 6 plus 3, which is 9. In total, I have 5 long hair KVs, so the others will be 9. Because it says already 5 here, you can go not from the Venn diagram, also from this logic, you can do it. It's a part P1, and the second part have long hair and are not brown. So from here we can see that 3 of them have long hair but not the brown, because 2 of them have long and brown hair. So the total 3 KVs. Let's write like this, 9 KVs here, because we're dealing with the numbers. And the part 3 are neither long hair nor brown, so the others. So there are only 3 such KVs, and they are these ones. Let's move on to the next question, question number 6. This problem is a little bit complicated, so let's read it. In a year group of 63 students, 22 students study biology, 26 chemistry, 25 physics. Then there comes their intersection. Some students study physics, chemistry, some biology, chemistry, and the numbers are given. And there is only one student studies all 3 subjects. So as you can see, I have 3 sets, 3 groups, and they all intersect between each other, and there is also one common intersection for all subjects. So the first part is asked to display this information on a Venn diagram. So let's try to represent it with the first universal set. I must have universal set, and I will have 3 circles, 3 sets. So let's draw them one by one. Then I will have my second group and also the third group. And now let's indicate them. My first group, let it be biology students, and my second group, let it be chemistry student, and my third, let it be physics. Now we should go from the last information from the later information to the former ones. How we're going to go? There is a one student studies all three subjects. So here I have in a bracket one student who studies all these subjects. Then let's go to the intersections. 18 students study both physics and chemistry. Physics and chemistry is here, 80 students. I have already one student here, which is counted, so it will be here 17 students. Then next one, 4 students study biology and chemistry. I have already one here, so the other one will be 3. So 4 students study biology and chemistry. And 3 students study both physics and biology. I have one here, so it will be 2 here. Now we have done with the intersection. Now let's go to the student who study only that particular subjects. We will go from this information. 22 students study biology. I have some students already listed here. There are 6 students who study biology and some other subjects. So in total, 22 students study biology. So there will be 16 students who study only biology. Here it's given 26 study chemistry. 26 students study chemistry. So I have how many here? Already in some intersection, 21. So here will be only 5 students study chemistry. 25 students study physics. In intersection, I already have 20. So here again, it will be 5 students study only physics. Now let's count these numbers in red and blues. It will give us the union of these 3 sets. And it also says that there are 63 students in a year group. If this union is less than, if this union of 3 sets is less than the total number of students, then there are some students who are outside of these 3 sets. Means that they do not take these subjects, they are taking different subjects. So let's count. In blue, it will be 5 plus 5 plus 16, and the numbers in red, plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 17. So if we add them up, this part 26, and this part we only calculate 23. So there are how many students? 49 students. So as you can see, if I add them up correctly, 3, 1, 2, 17, 20, 23, so 49 students in their union. So outsiders, how many students are outside of this group? It's 63 minus 49, which is 14 students take different subjects. Part B, first one. What does it say? How many students study biology? For the biology, we just need the number in a blue colored one, which is 16. 60 students study only biology without any other subjects. For second one, physics or chemistry. So I need the number of union of the physics students, union the chemistry students. So how we are going to solve it? We just need to look at the number of physics students, how many students I had there in the physics. 25, you can take as a 25, plus chemistry students, how many chemistry students there are. Physics and chemistry 26. Then there are some students who take both of them, so I need to subtract the students who take both of them, which is 1 and 17, 18 students. 18 students, they take both physics and chemistry, so I just need to subtract because I counting them twice when I add 25 and 26. When I add this one, it will be 51 minus 18, and it will give me 33 students. In part 3, they're asking me none of the biology, physics, or chemistry, the other students who do not take this subject. So as we can see, it's 14 students who take other subjects. And last part number 4, physics, but not chemistry. So from the Venn diagram, I can see that there are 5 students who take only physics, and there are also 2 students who take physics and biology. The other ones take chemistry with physics. So I just need to add these 2 and 5. So there are 7 students. 2 plus 5, 7 students.